the tradition here with you. I was toting my pack along the dusty Winnemucca Road when along came a semi with the high-end canvas covered load. If you're going to Winnemucca Mac with me, you can ride. And so I climbed into the cab and I settled down inside. He asked me if I'd seen a road with so much dust and sand, and I said, listen,
I've traveled every road in this here land. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I've crossed them deserts, man. I breathe that mountain air, man. Well, I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere.
I've been to Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Winslow, Sarasota, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Mattawa, La Paloma, Bangor, Baltimore, Sabadilla, Amarillo, Tocqueville, Barranquilla, Paradilla, Ramakilla.
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I've crossed them deserts, man. I breathe that mountain air, man. Well, I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere.
I've been to Boston, Charleston, Dayton, Louisiana, Washington, Houston, Kingston, Texarkana, Monterey, Faraday, Santa Fe, Tallapoosa, Glen Rock, Black Rock, Little Rock, Oskaloosa, Tennessee, Hennessy, Chicopee, Spirit Lake, Grand Lake, Devil's Lake, Craters Lake, for Pete's sake. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I've crossed them deserts, man. I breathe that mountain air, man. Till I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere. I've been to Louisville, Nashville, Knoxville, Omaha, Shelbyville, Jacksonville, Waterville, Coastal Rock, Pittsfield, Springfield, Bakersfield, Shreveport, Hackensack, Cadillac, Fond du Lac, Davenport, Idaho, Jellicoe, Argentina, Diamantina, Pasadena, Catalina, see what I mean? I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I've crossed them deserts, man. I breathe that mountain air, man. Till I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere.
Well, John, it sure does seem like we have been everywhere. But this is the first year that we've actually been at this little car show party. And I'm glad we can be here. So, Benny, thanks for having us, and thanks for throwing this great party today. And I'm glad all the proceeds go to a super great cause. Well, we have one last verse left for you guys. And you haven't really seen anything yet. I'd like to say, I'm really going to get you going on this last verse, John. Let's see how fast you can do it. Because I know people are just waiting to see if they won that TV. I know I would be.
I've been to Pittsburgh, Parkersburg, Couplesburg, Colorado, Willisburg, Rexburg, Vicksburg, Eldorado, Larimore, Admore, Hattiesburg, Chattanooga, Nebraska, Nebraska, Alaska, Opelika, Baraboo, Waterloo, Kalamazoo, Kansas City, Sioux City, Cedar City, Dodge City, what a pity. I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. I've crossed them deserts, man. I breathe that mountain air, man. Travel, I've had my share, man.
Have been everywhere. Thanks so much for having us today, guys.